Now, after checking the orientation, after checking the hooks, what you have to check, as you see here, is come to the frame and fit it. And also there will be covers. Let me show you when you remove them. Let me position the element. You see there is a slot where the cover to beautify the door comes inserted, so it comes inserted like this in this guide that I was showing here. So what will happen is that when you install the door, this will be screwed to the frame or pasted to the frame, and you have to be careful when you do that, because this is a very thin layer of not even good but MDF, and that means that it could at some point change the shape, and when it changes the shapes, then the beautifier won't probably get into, because this is only 3 millimeters, so it's very precisely measured. So one thing that you can do is to put the beautifier before inserting the frame. This will help you to prevent this situation where one section of the guide will be thinner and then you won't be able to put the beautifier.